Good day. Welcome to our interview. As a part of the interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Okay. Why are you taking IELTS exam?
For job purpose, I want to go abroad in
Okay. Which
UAE.
country you are planning to go?
I want to go UAE for teaching job purpose. That's why I'm preparing IELTS exam.
Okay. Do you learn to swim when you were a child?
No, I don't learn how to swim because I think so that in my childhood, this was not as popular as nowadays. We didn't learn it at our school level, even at school level. Nowadays, it is our kids are facilitated with this opportunity that there are many institutes who are teaching this, but I didn't know how to swim.
Okay. What places are there for swimming where you live?
If I talk about the Multan, there are three most famous places who are teaching about the swimming. The first one is Romanza in DHA, the second one is Shape, and the third one in Butch Villas. They are giving some classes about swimming.
Okay. What kind of people are most famous in your country today?
Uh, I think nowadays, due to internet, mostly TikTokers, Instagram, and YouTube, different bloggers, these are the famous people in my country. We can say that they are influencer of the youth, and that's why many people follow them and they are famous.
Why are there so many stories about famous people in the news?
I think so that many people follow them and they want to know about their personal life, their news, different scenarios. That's why they are famous, and some rumors, even rumors, are also there in society about the famous people.
Okay. Okay, Serish, I'm going to give you a cue card. You will be having 1 minute to think about it. And if you have to make notes, you can also make some notes. And then for 2 minutes, you'll talk about it. Your 1 minute starts now. Please take a start.
Okay. The new and exciting thing which I want to share with you is my driving experience that was new for me, and from after before um, after a long time, I learned this from institute, and there was one thing more that I want to share, that a long drive experience I have recently experienced after the driving on a motorway, though, so that was much more pleasant for me, and I really enjoy that.
Do you think the uh, place where you are driving, the city, where the area you are driving, it has traffic problems?
Yes, nowadays in Multan we are facing a lot of traffic
What
problems.
kind of problems?
I think so due to a lot of vehicles on road. Before some time, if I say that there were not a lot of cars were not on the road, but nowadays I think so that people are not using the public transport. Instead, they are using their private, and so the at the time of school, especially in morning and afternoon, the roads are blocked, and we are facing the traffic problem.
Okay. Okay. How to improve those problems?
I think so that we should use public transport as uh, by using the some personal. It could be reduce the traffic load on the road.
Do you
And
think it is easy for famous people to earn a lot of money?
yes, nowadays it is very easy for famous people to earn the money because due to some social media platform, they are earning online money through their channels
Mm.
and through their followers.
Mhm.
They are earning a lot of money, and after that, some many famous people introduce their brands. The followers want to reach the brand, and they earn a lot of money through these brands.
Okay, thank you, Sanjesh. Thank you.